Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to share Instagram posts to Facebook in 2023. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram. Then go to your profile icon. You can also create a new post or choose from any of these to share. Right now, I am using this post to share on my Facebook account. Now tap on three dots. Here you will see Post to Other Apps option. Tap on it. Now here you can also write a caption if you want. Then turn on the Facebook option. For linking these accounts, just follow Facebook instructions. Tap on Continue. Confirm the date of birth. Then tap Next. And set up the Facebook account. It will take few seconds. Now exit Instagram and go to Facebook. Go to your profile. Here you will see the photo that you posted through Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.